This video will review the MAP module. This module is also known as the Mutually Agreed Upon Plan. It's determined by two modules of the Opportunity Optimizer, the Business Insight and the Plan to Win modules. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Opportunity Optimizer dashboard. Click on the module name. Once it opens, we can begin by clicking on the Business Insight button. This is an area where we state the client's goals, objectives, obstacles, desires, and success metrics. This is all about the client and not your organization. You will notice on the far right there is a column called MAP. If you hit the Edit button, you can edit the information much like a spreadsheet. Just remember to check them once you and your client have agreed upon the information. Once you save that information, you will see those items carried over to the MAP module. From the MAP module, you can access the Plan to Win module, which is your company's perspective on goals and objectives for that account. You can also compare it to the customer's goals and objectives from the Business Insights module. If the situation changes or you gather some additional information, you can always uncheck these particular items and hit the Save button. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.